This channel has about 30,000 subscribers within a month, and his first video got more than 1 million views. Similar channel like this just created a month ago are getting viral just with their first video. Even got monetized and earning thousands of dollars. This channel got 300,000 views, this got 61,000 views, and this one got 54,000 views on their first video. Small channels are exploding, and I researched all them and found 4 most important steps to grow any channel with just one video. And the step 4 is the killer strategy for viral videos. But it's worthless if you don't watch first 3 steps. And step 1 is YouTube algorithm. YouTube has changed the algorithm of small channels, just like TikTok has also changed their algorithm few days back. New algorithm will promote small channels, give them more views to release dopamine in the body of creator, so creator can stay consistent and motivated for making more content for YouTube. Now YouTube will give every small channel a chance of growing by giving more impressions, but even if you get impressions, your channel will not grow until you follow step 2, click-through rate. It is the rate of total impressions, means how many times your video is shown on the screen of user, divided by total clicks, means how many users actually clicked on your video. A good click-through rate is about 2 to 10%, and it is the reason for every viral video on the YouTube. Click-through rate has 2 main components: thumbnail and title. You have to provide a reason to user for clicking your video. Your thumbnail should be catchy and simple. Always try to make them so professionally. Color combination in every thumbnail should be perfect. One free tool that I use to pick colors is Adobe Colors. Just go to complementary colors and pick the pair what you want. Thumbnails are also shown in different sizes according to their devices. If you are watching YouTube in a TV, then you will see different sizes of thumbnail. But if you watch YouTube in your smartphone, then it will be a different size. So to check the thumbnail on different screen sizes, there's a one free tool, thumbsup.tv. This will allow you to see your thumbnail in different sizes. You can use max 3-word strategy in your thumbnail to make it professional. A good thumbnail always tell more with less. And the title of video should be one level up from other channels with the same topics. Like this channel told how to make passive income through YouTube, which many more channels make. But one thing that stands him out is his video title, how to make passive income with one video on YouTube. And this title changed viewers' minds to click on the video. But even if you make good thumbnails with best titles, your video will not go viral until you follow the step 3. FTS, first 30 seconds. These are the most important seconds of every viral video. First 30 seconds of your video should be super engaging because the viewer needs the reason to watch your video till the end. And if he does it, then you will get promoted more. But it is only possible when you hook your audience in first 30 seconds. Here are some tips to make your first 30 seconds super engaging. Number 1, don't beg for subscribers and likes before you show them what they want to see. Number 2, don't use intros because it reduces the audience retention. Number 3, don't give your introduction because people have not tapped on video for your introduction. Number 4, direct come on point for which viewer had tapped on your video. Number 5, edit like a pro because it will help a lot in your YouTube journey. But if you follow these steps and not getting viral, then don't worry. Follow the step number 4. Learn YouTube. Go to your YouTube studio and study your videos, study your channel, what is wrong with your channel and why you are not getting viral. You have to go through every element on YouTube studio by your own. Then you will understand it properly and then you can apply all the tips and tricks to your videos that will make your videos viral. If you don't understand what these all things are saying, you can check out YouTube. There are many videos about it. But you have to regularly study YouTube. Study about your channel, study what works on your channel, study your first 30 seconds, study your thumbnails, study your titles, because this study is preparation for that exam that will give you a big YouTuber certificate. And I wanna say you something more. I hit subscribe button. You can beat him by tapping on it.